Hi, this is Chris, 24k on Twitter and 24k on Instagram. Today we're showcasing the very cool looking and well-designed MacBook USB-C dock from LINEDOCK. It has a built-in battery, 20,000 mAh, and SSD, and it comes with a mess of ports. It has 8+ hour battery life. This is suitable for the MacBook Pro 13-inch and the MacBook Air 13-inch. Has a 100-watt charge pass-through, 4K video, and 8 device docks. So the 4K videos, you can plug this into your computer and then send 4K out. We'll show you how that works in just a moment. Here's some more details. We're going to go ahead and scroll over this, and then you can pause the video anytime to look at the details even closer. So like I said before, it has 20,000 milliamp. It has a lithium manganese battery, so that is one of the newest types of batteries. 2-year warranty, lifetime support, and all you need to connect it to your computer is this little piece right here. Comes in the box, so it's USB-C to USB-C. The 100-watt pass-through charging is really cool. It also has 60-watt charging, so it can charge everything up pretty quickly, and all the details are here. Alright, so now we'll get to take a look at the device itself. It's made to look exactly like the MacBook Pro or the MacBook Air. So you have your ports on this side. This is the SD card slot, USB Type A slots, USB Type C. Then you have your battery indicator right here. There's 10 LEDs, so this is almost fully charged. You have your charging USB-C port on the back right here. And then on this side, you have the HDMI port, mini display port, you have another USB port and another USB-C. So it gives you all kinds of ports. These are the vent holes right here. Those are on the front and back, and the engineering and design is quite nice. You can see the fit and finish is almost exactly like the MacBook itself. Has these little feet that are made of rubber so it doesn't slip off the desk, but you can see the tolerance of the cutting and design is nearly perfect like the MacBook. So this is suitable for the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro 13-inch. They have other versions. This is from LINEDOCK, and all you need is this little connector to make everything work. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.